I'll be showing you a review of Acer. It doesn't really have a name. This really small BB gun was cheap, €2, but it goes really far. That's the thing. So the reloading system is you pull it back, there's a hole there, sorry, and you just go like that, and sometimes there's no shoot ball. See, it goes up there, so you can take it off if you want to mod or something. So yeah, I'll just use it. Sorry, I just use this, so if you want to get something, they just take off. Put on is just easy. You put that there. Sorry. Yeah. So put that there. So it's put it like that. So it's like that. I think I chose this one because it was cool. It has real effects. So sometimes it will click if you pull it back, and sometimes it won't. But either way, it still fires. And then you just pull it back, put your BB in, boom. It's really powerful too. The other range tests, nah, actually no. I'll do another video on that. But so there's no slam fire on it. So again, it's cheaper airsoft gun, goes really far. And again, sorry, sometimes it does roll out because it's not like it's only a cheap one. Pull it back. Oh, the cons about this gun, it is really small, and reloading system just pops off. So I would not recommend to use it. I like using it like this, right there. Sometimes I only use that to pull it back because it works better and goes far. So pull it back, put it down, pull forward, sorry, slip down, put forward, and whoa, that went really far. Okay, this is a review of a really small BB gun and really good BB gun.